Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I decided to do a vlog for you guys because you know I've been off lately. Yeah, just know that there's lots of music coming soon. There's like 3 songs that I've like finished, and I'm just waiting to like do the thing finish it quickly. It's taking a little bit of time, but yeah, decided to do a small vlog for you guys, and I might have bought something, you know. Woo! But first, let's watch the bike and surprise in the bike as well. I'm not gonna show you guys the bike yet, but just know it's something good, you know. Yeah. Show you guys much. Let's give it a quick wash and then I'll catch you guys. Yeah. But keep us here today, Thomas. Zahatimi aune bhanthyo. Papaniharuko masma. Ruzi bizi azai ma kurchu. Timi au yana au. Ma sathe dina te bato heri. Basne chu samjhadai. This is the next day and I just woke up, so let me show you guys the bike. To my eyes, you give Chaya timre chahan chu jivan ma mero maya ma pure to my eyes, you give Chaya timre chahan chu jivan ma mero. So yeah guys, this is how it looks with the final thing. There's some custom stickers that I did. With the Nike Air, with the Crossfire, with the logo, with the 6, and with the 9, cause you know, Karma Die 69, let's go. And also I did a little bit of this thing. This is the Sharingan, because I'm a big Naruto fan, especially Sasuke. And I did this Asia wing sticker, like this is the thing. Also changed this into like a little bit of orange color and with the simple this, yeah. So guys, yeah, you're the 900 right now. Yeah, let's do it by the way. Yeah, let me show you guys my new helmet. So guys, this is my new helmet. What's up guys, bola guys. मेरो बाइकसँग ठ्याक्क मिल्छ भनेर किनेको गाइस. Maya, but it's to my eyes, you give Chaya timre chahan chu jivan ma me. So guys, this is the helmet. Let's go. Now y'all know I bought these colors to match with the thing, you know? Do y'all see the thing with the black and the yellow thing with the thing? Guys, that's the whole look with the thing. Tell me if you like it or not, huh? And yeah, if you like it, make sure you thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, cause more music is coming with the... I just need more friends, bro. If y'all like really are interested in singing with me, like making songs and shit, feel free to DM me, huh? On Instagram, it's gonna be like somewhere around here, like DM me and we can work together, for sure. Like if you're in Pohara and Nafiri. Baira ta like Baira bhani at least I can work. Just DM me and we're gonna figure things out. Yeah, that's all for today. I'm gonna make sure I'm keep this videos coming. Yeah, hope I see y'all soon.
I'm fucking shit, that's how